So what I've got on the go today is very, very simple and really delicious. So we've got some fish. I've got some tilapia fish, which we've cut. We're going to salt it quite heavily. I'm going to deep fry it and make it really crispy. Then I'm going to make this really lovely dipping sauce there of vinegar, chili, garlic, brown sugar, soy. Really tasty. Grab that, dip it in, crunch away, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is 2 medium-sized tilapia fish. They've been cleaned, means the guts and everything have been taken out. They've been descaled. I've also cut a little bit of the tail off and I've taken the head off. Cut it into these sort of pieces here, as you can see. Very simply, we're just going to get salt on it, and we're going to put quite a lot of salt on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my hand, I'm going to stick a glove on, and I'm going to mix that up, then we're going to go to the cooker. So what I've got here is about 3 or 4 centimeters, or a couple of inches of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could use corn or something like that, a different oil if you like. I just massage the salt into the fish. Let's just check and see if this oil is hot enough. So we're going to take a piece. And yes, it is. So I'm probably going to do this in 2 batches. Don't crowd the pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to deep fry this until it's nice and crispy. So we're going to cook it until it's done and then cook it a little bit more. So just a little bit more. It's probably going to take about 8 minutes. I'll be flipping it over a few times. So just getting this out now. I've got a few pieces out already. But yeah, nice and crispy. Gonna just put that onto some kitchen paper. And that's why we put the salt on there, that, you know, that extra salt. It really does help crisp up the fish. And then I'm gonna go back in with my second batch. See you in a moment. So our fish is cooked, salted, nice and crispy, really good that is. Now look, we're going to make a really simple, nice dipping sauce. So what I've got here is vinegar, lemon juice, soy sauce, fresh chili, onion, garlic, black pepper, brown sugar. You roughly want twice the amount of vinegar to soy sauce. So we've got about 3 tablespoons of soy there, so 6 vinegar, a tablespoon max of lemon juice. The fresh chili is up to you, how much you want to put in. Some chopped onion there, what's that? 2 tablespoons there, maybe a teaspoon or so, or a couple of cloves of garlic, little pinch of black pepper, and maybe 2 teaspoons or so of brown sugar. Very simply, we're going to give that a little mix. So my white vinegar is in the bowl already, and to that we're going to add some soy, half the amount of soy. Little splash of lemon juice, black pepper, the garlic, the green chili, the onion, and the brown sugar. Now you can adjust this as much or as little as you like. Little mix, that is absolutely delicious with that fish. And there we have it, really, really simple. That's absolutely delicious. So grab some fish, dip it in there, crunch away. Fantastic. I hope you enjoy that. Nice and easy. Keep safe, keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.